Is it time to buy or sell Above Food Ingredients common stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Above Food Ingredients common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since July 10th, 2025, our system has ranked Above Food Ingredients common stock as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.2. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 60% since we first listed Above Food Ingredients common stock as a buy candidate 3 days ago. This translates to an average return of 20% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock finds itself in the midst of a wide and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.25% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 81.92% to 69.06%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 1.33%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 85.06% and 48.32% in the coming year. In today's terms, this would suggest a future price range between 37 cents and $3.68. Our latest daily update for Above Food Ingredients common stock includes the headline: significant movements in Above Food Ingredients Incorporated common stock price on Monday, fluctuating 51.04% between high and low. The Above Food Ingredients Incorporated common stock price decreased by 31.68% on the last trading day, which was Monday, July 14th, 2025, falling from $3.63 to $2.48. During that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 51.04%, reaching a low of $1.92 and a high of $2.90. Although the price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 117.54% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is typically a positive sign, as volume should correspond with stock price movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 251 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $71,090,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $4.40, while the lowest price was 25 cents. Currently, the price sits 43.64%, or $1.92, below the 52-week high, and 80.16%, or $10.02, below the all-time high, which was reached on June 28, 2024, when the price hit $12.50. Above Food Ingredients Incorporated, trading under the symbol ABVE, has recently executed a definitive merger agreement with Palm Global Technologies, effective on the 7th of July, 2025. This merger is expected to significantly enhance Above Food's asset base, adding billions of dollars in gold-based assets, positioning the company as a key player in the issuance of stablecoins and asset tokenization. This strategic pivot could lead to considerable recurring revenues, likely attracting investor interest and stabilizing the company's stock price in the short term. Moreover, the announcement comes on the heels of Above Food achieving full compliance with NASDAQ listing requirements, following a challenging period marked by previous non-compliance. Regaining this compliance is crucial as it reassures investors about the company's standing in the market and boosts confidence. In the long term, the merger could lead to transformative growth opportunities, especially as Above Food continues to position itself within the agritech and fintech sectors. As these sectors are poised for rapid advancement, investors may view Above Food as an increasingly attractive option, potentially driving up its stock price further. Overall, with strong backing from notable figures such as Sheikh Mohammed bin Maktoum joining the board and a clear strategic direction, ABVE is setting itself up for both immediate recovery and long-term growth, an enticing prospect for investors observing the agritech and fintech landscapes. Analysts have assigned Above Food Ingredients common stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also categorize the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Above Food Ingredients common stock. Above Food Ingredients Incorporated's common stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship of the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at the levels of $1.41 and $1.23. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence the short-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, July 11, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 31.68%. Continued downward movement is suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which reduces overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have generated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 173 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 2 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average displayed a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average reiterated a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 65 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Above Food Ingredients common stock. Above Food Ingredients Incorporated common stock finds support from accumulated volume at $2.36. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And due to a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 98 cents between its high and low, corresponding to a 51.04% change. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 131.74%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Above Food Ingredients common stock, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An exceptionally high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to possess such elevated ratios. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Above Food Ingredients common stock. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, it may be wise to enter a position and use volume as a guide for determining when to exit. On the downside, Above Food Ingredients common stock encounters its first support level at $2.36. If this support holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.34, reflecting a decline of 5.76%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, indicating a significant level of risk. There is currently a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Above Food Ingredients common stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for ABVE Food Ingredients Incorporated common stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of July, we expect ABVE Food Ingredients common stock to open lower by approximately 467 tenth-thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $2.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading, and may you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.